All right, Tuesday morning, let's roll. Stocks are higher. Tesla's now a $1 trillion company. Facebook earnings last night, they missed on top line revenue and users. However, stock's still up 2%. Seeing markets trade higher off this news. So we've got the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, the S&P, all up in the pre-market. Continuation of what we've seen the past couple of days. We've talked about this. We're in the midst of a strong earnings season. These earnings reports continue to drive this market higher. You jump over into FX, dollar weakness this morning, pretty much across the board. We've got some big central bank meetings this week. European Central Bank meeting this week. That's on Thursday. We've got the Canadian Central Bank as well as the Japanese Central Bank meeting this week as well. So a lot happening in FX land. Could see some potential volatility off these announcements. Last but not least, oil. Actually fairly quiet this morning, flatlining just north of $83 a barrel in WTI. But as we've talked about recently, this has been the big mover, a lot of volatility in the oil market. Again, thoughts are we're long overdue for a pullback. It's yet to be seen. All right, folks, it's another day. We've got some housing data out this morning. Again, we talked about the central bank meetings later this week. We've got some growth data out tomorrow. It's a big week. Let's get in there, trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.